Torpedoes!
Probably gonna flood to death, bud. It appears they have one more salvo. We can have that. Land short.
Show me your sides. Torpedoes! The range is good. Just like that. Yeah. Time to flip a bitch. Time to do a half spot into B. Get some parents. Show you how we do this shit. Come over here and park behind this fucking little bitty ass island over here. My God. Oh wait, minion.
Find me the destroyer. Uh-oh, that Tago took a big hit.
From what?
I don't know.
If you
He's down.
a Cheetha. I've played this fucking game too long already. I knew it was coming. I was like, yeah, wait for it. There will be torpedoes. There's another set.
You know about them Cheethas?
Look out, wild Cheethas approach. He got Cheethas.
Them brown ostriches.
Fucking Cheethas. I'll watch him make it juicy. Also juicy sideways target now. Give him just enough time to get lined out. Perfectly situated. Right now I can feel it. He's firing torps. And now we're gonna turn again.
I'm gonna laugh if you turned into him.
I would too. I'm like, no! He's like right next to me, parked in the bushes, just like crashed up on the beach. Joke's on you, bitch! He's just over there hitting the lever and the torps are flying out. I was the island the whole time! Jesus!